Brilliant, so here we are, Gecko Rock. Seems like a lovely spot. If you look at that view, isn't that spectacular? Inside we've got a dormitory style accommodation. There's a whole bunch of beds. And yeah, should be really pleasant. And cold. Tonight is not going to be warm. It's about 6 degrees Celsius, but maybe I'm just being a pansy. Cold! But spectacular. So hopefully we'll survive. Hot water showers, big log cabin, Chevrolet Trailblazer. See how that goes. So we're not going to do the really hardcore four-wheel drive track because we don't have a diff lock and we've got running boards on the side of the car, which we won't want to break. The running boards. So we're going to do the mountain loop, which is 20 kilometers and more like a scenic game drive. Hopefully we'll see some interesting foliage and animals. And yeah, man, let's whack it. Supposedly the 2x4. This is supposedly the 2x4 trail, but okay, now we're going to try again using the traction control system. Yes. So the first time we were driving through, I had the traction control system turned off. More of an experiment than anything else. So we got stuck on a cross axle because the car doesn't have a rear diff lock, but it's got an electronic limited slip differential. So turn it back on again and it torque vectors the power between the two rear tires. Works well.
Twist that way, that way, that way. No, go back. Go back. Come here. If you get the...
Leave me for a second.
Nice.